Hello everyone. Today we are going to see modules in Python. A module is basically a file containing Python code. This code can consist of functions, classes, or variables that you want to use in your program. In a nutshell, a module in Python is like a toolbox that contains tools you can use in your code to make your programming tasks easier. To get a list of modules available in the standard Python library, you can explore the Python documentation or use Python's help function. First you print, then help modules. This will print out a list of available modules. To use the code in a module, you simply import it into your Python script. Once imported, you can access the functions, classes, and variables defined in the module and use them in your program. Use the import keyword followed by the name of the module you want to use. For now, let's select the math module from the available options to work with. The math module provides mathematical functions and constants in Python. When utilizing functions and the variables from a module, it is essential to employ the dot notation. For instance, after importing the math module, if we aim to compute the square root of a particular number, we employ the syntax maths.sqrt and we will put the number we want to compute. Let me demonstrate this. Import math, and now let's try to print the square root of some number. Print maths.sqrt and the value. Let's say 16. Now this will give us the square root of 16, which is obviously 4. We can also perform other tasks. Let's say we want to print the value of pi. Print math.pi. This will give us the value of pi, which is 3.1459265, and it goes on. We can also do other tasks like trigonometric functions. Let's try to print the cosine of pi. Print math.cos math.pi. Now this will give us the value of the cosine of pi, which is obviously -1. There are numerous additional operations available within the math module besides the square root and cosine. Here is a comprehensive list of those operations. You can give a module an alias by using the as keyword when importing it. This is helpful when you want to shorten the module name or when the original name is too long. Let's use the square root function from the math module via the alias m. Here math is imported with the alias m, so instead of typing math.sqrt, we can use m.sqrt to access the square root function from the math module. Aliases can be particularly useful when you are working with modules that have long names or when you need to distinguish between different versions of the same module. However, it's important to choose meaningful and clear aliases to maintain readability and to avoid confusion in your code. Another way to import a module is to use the from keyword followed by the name of the module, then the import keyword, and finally the specific items you want to import from the module. This method allows you to import specific functions, classes, or variables directly into your current namespace without needing to prefix them with the module name. Let me try to explain what I mean by that. From math, import sqrt. Here, the from keyword is allowing us to import the square root function directly without prefixing with math. Okay guys, this is for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. I really worked hard to put this comprehensive concepts together, so make sure you subscribe, or there is a high possibility I'm going to cry.